Are you on the hunt for the perfect MIG welder? Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, choosing the right tool can be overwhelming. In today's video, we're ranking 5 top-rated MIG welders, breaking down their features, pros, cons, and everything in between. Stick around to find out which one truly stands out. Now, starting with the YesWelder MIG-250 Pro. This machine lands in our 5th spot. It's a powerful MIG welder that can tackle a variety of jobs, whether you're working with steel or aluminum. With a 250 amp output, it delivers consistent performance for both hobbyists and professionals. This welder is a versatile 6-in-1 machine, meaning you can also use it for TIG, stick, and flux core welding. It's not just about the specs though. The lightweight design at just 33 pounds makes it a solid option for those who need portability without sacrificing power. The digital display makes adjusting settings easier, and the wire compatibility offers flexibility, making it ideal for a wide range of projects. However, no product is perfect. One drawback to note is that it requires a 220-volt power source, which might not be readily available in some workspaces. Also, if you're planning to weld aluminum, you'll need a separate spool gun which is sold separately. These are common trade-offs, but they're worth keeping in mind when making your decision. If you're a beginner or DIYer on a budget who still needs solid performance, the YesWelder MIG-250 Pro could be a great choice. But if you're looking for something with more high-end features or aluminum welding capabilities right out of the box, keep watching for the next options. By the way, link to this product at the best price is in the description below. Next up, we have the Simder MIG-250, which is another solid contender, ranked 4th on our list. This welder is unique because it supports both 110 volts and 220-volt power, offering flexibility in various work environments. Whether you're in a shop with 220 volts or on the go with a 110-volt outlet, this welder has you covered. One of the standout features of this welder is its 4-in-1 functionality. It supports MIG, lift TIG, stick, and flux core MIG welding, making it highly versatile. The inclusion of IGBT technology ensures stable performance, and the synergic control function automatically adjusts settings for you, which is a huge time saver for both beginners and pros. Plus, it comes with multiple safety protections such as overcurrent and overheat protection to give you peace of mind during use. However, one of the limitations here is that the duty cycle isn't specified. For welders who require high-duty cycles for long work sessions, this could be a potential drawback. Also, like the YesWelder, aluminum welding isn't as straightforward without the right accessories, which may require extra investment. If you're after flexibility and voltage options and need a multi-process welder for a variety of jobs, the Simder MIG-250 is a great fit. It's also a solid choice for those who don't mind a bit of extra setup to get the perfect weld. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more welding tips and reviews. Coming in at number 3 is the Guozhi MIG-200P, a 7-in-1 multi-process MIG welder that offers a powerful performance at a competitive price. With a max amperage of 200 amps, it provides a reliable output for welding a range of materials, including steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, making it a versatile choice for many welders. The features are impressive as well, including dual voltage capabilities for both 110-volt and 220-volt outlets. This means you can use it at home or in more industrial environments without worrying about the power supply. It also supports 7 welding processes, including the option for a spool gun, which is great for aluminum welding, making it a big advantage over some of the other welders in this comparison. The dual LCD display allows for easy monitoring of both voltage and current while you work, but it's not all perfect. At 46 pounds, this welder is on the heavier side, which might be a concern if portability is important to you. It's also worth mentioning that while it is a solid performer, some users might find the controls a bit complex at first, especially if you're just starting out with welding. If you're looking for a well-rounded machine that can handle multiple processes and materials with ease, this is a great pick. However, if you need something lighter or more intuitive for beginners, there are other options to consider. Let's move on to the next one. At number 2, we have the Guozhi MIG-210LED, a multi-process machine that stands out due to its clear and easy-to-read large LED display. This model supports a maximum amperage of 210 amps and can handle a range of materials, including steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. with the added bonus of a spool gun for aluminum welding. The MIG-210LED offers dual voltage support, and like other welders in this ranking, it provides flexibility for both home users and professionals. The addition of the large LED display makes adjusting settings and monitoring your work effortless, which is a nice touch for welders of all experience levels. It's also portable and lightweight, which makes it easier to move around the shop or a job site. Despite its strengths, the MIG-210LED is not the best choice for heavy-duty industrial jobs. It's more suited for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and those who need a reliable welder for mid-range work. Additionally, it requires extra accessories for some tasks, like TIG welding, which can add to the overall cost. If you're someone who values ease of use and portability while getting all the core features needed for quality welds, this is definitely a solid choice. But for those requiring something a bit more industrial grade, stay tuned for our top pick. Finally, in the top spot we have the Simder Pro 2024, which is hands down the most powerful welder in this lineup. With a remarkable 400 amp max output, it can handle a wide range of heavy-duty jobs that the other welders just can't match. It's designed to perform under pressure, making it ideal for larger scale projects or industrial-grade applications. What makes this welder stand out is its sheer power combined with a 60% duty cycle at 400 amps, which allows for longer work periods without overheating. This model is also versatile, offering MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding processes, ensuring it can take on different tasks with ease. The 50-pound weight is hefty, but for a machine of this power, it's a trade-off many will accept. It's built to last, with an all-metal frame and high-quality components. However, this welder is not for everyone. The 220-volt requirement means you'll need access to more powerful outlets, and the 50-pound weight makes it less portable compared to lighter options on this list. Additionally, the extra power might be overkill for casual hobbyists or those looking for a welder for smaller, home-based projects. If you're a professional welder or need a reliable machine for larger projects, the Simder Pro 2024 is definitely the top contender. Its powerful performance and multi-process capabilities will serve you well in demanding environments. So, if you're ready to step up your welding game, this one's for you. And there you have it, the top MIG welders to consider. Be sure to check out the links in the description to find these products at the best prices. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews and welding tips. Whether you're just starting out or looking for your next upgrade, there's something here for everyone. Happy welding! Looking for the best MIG welder?